Have you heard about ice swimming? You know, this activity where you carve a hole in ice and then you dip in the icy cold water. In this video, I'm going to show you how Finns do ice swimming, why do we love it, and what you should know before you try it yourself. My name is Varpo and I'm your Finnish fairy godmother. I help your Finnish dreams come true. If you like all things related to Finland, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go! In Finland, people can carve a hole into their local lake and just take an icy dip, or people can visit a designated winter swimming spot, and those spots you can find pretty much in any Finnish town. Furthermore, you can be a member in an ice swimming club, and that allows you access to locker rooms and a sauna. But you can use these designated winter swimming spots without being a member. So you can literally just go to the spot and get a dip or a swim and then get up. Let's go through some ice swimming terms in Finnish. Avanto means the icy hole cut in a lake or sea. A popular phrase you're going to hear in Finland is kävitkö avannossa? Kävitkö avannossa? This means, did you take a dip in the icy hole? If you meet a person who does this activity regularly, they might say that they are avantouimari, which means ice hole swimmer. Or they could say harrastan avantouintia. Harrastan avantouintia. My sport or my hobby is ice hole swimming. Why do people do ice hole swimming? Well, there are several health benefits. It boosts your immune system, it reduces stress, it helps your blood circulation. What I think is the best is that you feel super accomplished after it. Besides the health benefits, you feel super energized and so accomplished after you have done it. Those are my favorite two feelings. And what is also very inspiring, that you can see people of all ages doing this sport. So you can easily see an older lady in her 70s or 80s even just casually walking into an icy hole. So that is just amazing. A warning though, if you have heart problems or if you have asthma, you definitely want to consult a doctor before you go. And always go with a friend if you are a beginner. Before you go ice swimming yourself, here are 5 tips to keep in mind. First tip, go with a friend. This helps you get into the water. I promise it really helps. And secondly, it would be awesome if you go with someone who has already done it if you're a first timer. Second tip, warm up before you go into the icy hole. For example, walk to the place, or maybe you want to enjoy a sauna. Third tip, wear a beanie. It helps to cover your head. It will be really cold when you're in the icy hole. You want to also wear swimming gloves or shoes if they are possible to use. This helps you to prevent cuts and also get stuck on metal. Huge tip, don't touch any metal stair railings with wet hands. You will get stuck. Tip number 4. When you get into the water, try not to overact and breathe too fast. Calm your breaths down and just slowly lower yourself into the position and to the full dip. Tip number 5. Try different ways of avanto. With this I mean that you should try different times of day. For example, for me, it's way easier to go to avanto in the morning time. So maybe for you it's easier to go in the evening or morning or day. Also, it could be easier to go with or without a sauna. For me, again, it's easier to go without a sauna to Avanto. If you want to try ice swimming with a sauna, in big cities all around Finland you can find dedicated sauna places that also have this ice swimming as a possibility. For example, in Helsinki you could visit Löyly. Now sometimes when you are, for example, at a Finnish cabin, you want to make an icy hole yourself. So I have a little tutorial for you how to make it if you have the correct gear with you. So here's how we make the ice hole. So we are drilling all corners and then we are using the ice saw to cut it completely.
Ergonomia tähän. Pitäisikö mulla selkästä?
Älä vaan mä itse sen. Hyvinhän se menee. Loppukiri.
Ja menee ihan inhoa.
No ei se silleen, se onkin parempi. No niin, hyvä.
And this is how you get rid of the ice. You kind of make it sink. And then you slide it there. And voila, we have a perfect ice swimming hole. There we go. Final touches.
So, what do you think about ice swimming? Would you do it or absolutely not? Let me know in the comments, I would love to know. Let's get you all warm up after this very chilly topic. So if you want to see how I heat up my Finnish sauna, you should check out this video next. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Moi moi!